Hey, so today I want to go over a new feature that's coming to server-side-up PHP, our Docker images that are optimized for running Laravel. And this is a perfect example why we go through all these optimizations because it just improves the developer experience all around. In Laravel 11, they came out with a new health check endpoint, which is extremely helpful for system administrators because we now have a definition of truth that says Laravel's actually running. In previous days, I would go over and when I would do a rolling update or zero downtime deployment, web traffic would come in and then it would hit my reverse proxy that would be listening to a health endpoint. And then when we would bring in a new Docker image, we would spin that one up first, ensure that the health endpoint is online and healthy, and then switch the plumbing over to change all of the web traffic to go to my new container. The problem is that the definition of that health endpoint would take the request and run it through Nginx, which would then pass anything of /ping to FPM, and then FPM would just respond with Pong. Now, in that truth definition, the only thing that we're checking is that FPM is online and running. It still gave me the opportunity to screw things up and have my Laravel application not be online, and I would start switching over traffic to a Laravel container that was not healthy. So to give you an example of what this looks like, we can switch back over to my local running application. And you can see over here on the left-hand side, I'm using this ping URL to just check what FPM is saying. So we can see all of its responses. When we say ping, it just responds with Pong. Now, for the new feature in server-side-up PHP, what we can do is let's just bring these containers down, and I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to add a new environment variable to my container image that just says health check path, and we're going to set it to the /up endpoint to match what Laravel has here. So if I bring this back up again and I start checking this, we can see when it's running, it has a status of starting. If I run that again, now Docker is actually using Laravel's definition of healthy to make sure that we are rolling over to a healthy Laravel container. This is an exciting feature for Laravel 11 and for system administrators like me. Follow along as I learn more. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd love to chat. Thanks.